Hey guys, what's up? So Google is set to announce the Pixel 5 and Pixel 4a 5G on the 30th of September, and as is the case, the official renders of both these phones as well as the complete specs have leaked online. The Pixel 5's official renders were leaked yesterday, while that of the 4a 5G has just been leaked today by a UK retailer. Both the phones look pretty much identical from the front, with a punch hole to the top left corner for the selfie camera, but the bezels on the Pixel 5 are thinner compared to the 4a, that gives it a much premium appearance. You also get a slightly smaller display with the Pixel 5 at 6 inches, while the 4a gets a 6.2-inch OLED panel. Both of these displays have a resolution of Full HD Plus and come with HDR support. However, the Pixel 5 gets a 90Hz refresh rate, which is missing on the 4a 5G. Also, the display is protected by the latest Gorilla Glass 6 on the more premium offering, whereas the Pixel 4a has to do with Gorilla Glass 3. The Pixel 5 in the black shade gets a shiny black power button without any splash of color, which is unusual of a Pixel. It also gets a 100% recycled aluminum frame, while the 4a has a plastic build but gets a white power button on a black body. Even the camera setup on both the phones is identical. Both get a dual camera setup with a 12.2 megapixel primary with OIS and a 16 megapixel ultra wide. You also get a modest 8 megapixel unit on the front for selfies. Both the phones will be able to capture 1080p at 240 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second from the rear cameras. However, the front is only capable of 1080p at 30 frames per second. The similarities continue under the hood as well, with the smartphones being powered by the Snapdragon 765G 5G SoC with 128GB of storage. However, you get 8GB of RAM on the Pixel 5 as against 6GB on the cheaper phone. Now, even though the Pixel 4a 5G is bigger than the Pixel 5, you still get a slightly smaller battery at 3885 mAh as against the 4080 mAh unit on the Pixel 5. Both these batteries support 18W fast charging at max. However, you get wireless charging and reverse wireless charging on the Pixel 5 and the headphone jack on the 4a. Now, Google has already confirmed that the Pixel 4a 5G will be available for $499, but Pixel 5 is expected to be priced around $629, which is a decent price for the kind of specs it offers. That being said, do let me know what do you think about these phones down in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.